Hello, my name is Aviv Brook.
And my name is Dominic Lucchesi.
And today we're going to present our analysis of the first malware to attack a power grid. We would like to thank Alvaro Cardenas, Luis Salazar, and Sebastian Castro for introducing us to this problem and for helping us so much through every step along the way. On December 17, 2016, during a cold winter in Ukraine, a fifth of Kiev experienced a blackout with their power cut off for 1 hour. This was the result of a cyber attack against a Ukrainian energy distribution company. This incident came just over a year after the last cyber attack against Ukraine's power grid on December 23, 2015, which was the first known instance where a cyber attack had disrupted a power grid. Unlike the 2015 attack, where circuit breakers were manually opened repeatedly through remote access, this attack was carried out by a malware framework that performed the same task in an automated fashion, repeatedly opening circuit breakers faster than an operator could close them. Slovakian cybersecurity firm ESET named the framework Indestroyer, the first known malware specifically designed to attack electrical grids. To put our work in context of existing analysis of this malware, the only openly available existing analysis has been done by two cybersecurity companies. However, the reports are high level, and more importantly, they focus on the malware infection of Windows computers, but do not have enough detail of the industrial component of the attack.
In our research, we restricted our scope to the main payload we believe was used on the night of the attack, as well as a destructive data wiper component. For our dynamic analysis, we set up a lab using an isolated virtual network separated from the host operating system and from the internet. To simulate the original attack, we ran the malware on a Windows XP machine with a server connected to fake circuit breakers. For our static analysis, we looked at the low-level code of the main payload to try to reverse engineer its flow of operations. Through our analysis, we determined how the main payload selects all of the circuit breakers it can find before ultimately signaling all of them to open, which cuts off power. We were also able to determine that the data wiper component deletes critical files before rendering the host machine unusable.
This attack is believed to have been carried out by a Russian cyber military unit known as Sandworm. This is the same group believed to have caused the 2015 attack as well. Though Indestroyer was designed to send commands in 4 different electrical transmission system protocols, the protocols could easily be swapped out for those used in the United States or Western Europe. In fact, it is very likely that Sandworm was using Ukraine to test out techniques that it might someday repeat elsewhere.
Cyber attacks against our critical infrastructure, including the power grid, can create large-scale societal and economic damages. In order to detect and respond to these attacks, we need tools to analyze the methods of attackers. The analysis of malware is a well-established field in information technology networks like banking or electronic commerce, but this field is still in its infancy when dealing with power systems. With the most recent attack on the Colonial Pipeline, it is clear that maintaining a proper defense against infrastructure attacks has become more relevant than ever before. Hopefully our work can help the United States industries and government be more prepared and secure against similar types of attacks.